Hello everyone, Nadeem with PC.Solutions.Net. With a career spanning over 4 decades in the IT sector, I have both owned and managed several enterprises. My enthusiasm lies in devising innovative IT strategies for small to medium-sized businesses. And I am recognized as an accomplished author of several publications in this domain. Welcome. So today I'm going to talk a little bit about Microsoft Teams. Once you enable PSTN dialing from Microsoft Teams, and PSTN dialing is the public telephone system, so landlines. So if you have the ability to call into landlines, how do you actually make the calls and handle the calls? So in Microsoft Teams, you'll see an option on the left-hand side that says calls. If you click on that, it will give you a dialer, and then it will give you your number towards the bottom. And also you can look at all your parked calls and do not forward. Once you have these things, that tells you that PSTN calling has been enabled. And of course, on the right here, you will have your history and you can choose what kind of call. So what you see on a regular phone system, an office phone system, you will see in Microsoft Teams. Now, the good thing is you can simply punch in the numbers and hit call to dial, or you can simply punch it in from your numpad on your keyboard and dial the number. So for example, if I was going to dial our main number, I can just type it in from the keyboard and hit dial, and basically it'll call that number. And then from that point onwards, it's just like a regular phone sitting on your desk. It's the same thing. The difference is when you do hold your video calls, your video conferences, people from regular phones can also dial in and listen in. And this comes in really handy, especially in a post-COVID world where a lot of times people are in their cars and they can't really join in from their computer, but they can call in from their phone and listen in or participate in that conference. So it works out really well from that perspective. The other good thing is once you enable PSTN calling in your Teams, when you create a calendar entry and you choose a Teams call as opposed to in-person call, Teams will automatically put your call in conference information in that invite. So you don't have to worry about that. So hopefully that will get you a little bit familiar and a little bit more comfortable with Microsoft Teams. I know a lot of times these questions come up when we start talking about Teams and PSTN calling with customers and prospects, and they're like, oh well, how am I going to dial? What's like people are just afraid of the change, and really the change is not even existent because it's the same interface that you would normally see on your phone. So until next time, everybody, have a great day and be safe.